This isn't a van, it's a rolling time capsule from the golden age of freedom. 360 V8, carpeted luxury, and pure 1977 American soul. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love rare classics, rolling time capsules, and machines that don't just move people but move vibes, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're stepping back into an era when freedom smelled like gasoline, carpeted walls, and big block torque. An era when the road trip wasn't rushed, it was experienced. Right now in front of us is something truly special, a 1977 Dodge B200 Tradesman van, finished in a deep, luxurious Black Garnet Pearl, powered by a 360 cubic inch V8, and restored in a way that turns a once utilitarian machine into a rolling lounge of American soul. This isn't just a van, this is a statement. Arrow what? This is 1970s Americana on four wheels, reborn with intention, character, and presence. Back then, vans like this weren't built to impress social media. They were built to carry dreams, bands, families, surfboards, tools, and stories across endless highways. And somehow, decades later, this Dodge B200 still carries all of that energy. Only now it does it with refined comfort and undeniable style. Let's talk about that body first. The shape is unmistakable, boxy, bold, and unapologetically functional. There's nothing aerodynamic here, nothing shy. This van doesn't whisper. It announces itself. The Black Garnet Pearl paint gives it a richness that changes with the light, deep and dramatic, almost mysterious. It's the kind of color that feels expensive without needing to shout, the kind of finish you'd expect on something custom built, not mass produced. Every panel tells a story of durability. Every angle reminds you this was built in a time when steel was thick and design was honest. Under the hood lives one of Mopar's most respected workhorses, the 360 V8. This isn't about chasing horsepower numbers or lap times, it's about torque, sound, and confidence. Turn the key and you don't just hear an engine start, you feel it wake up. That low authoritative rumble is pure muscle era DNA, filtered through the practicality of a full-size van. Paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this drivetrain was designed to cruise effortlessly, to eat miles without breaking a sweat, to make the journey as satisfying as the destination. Power steering and power brakes bring a level of ease that transforms the driving experience. Despite its size, this van feels composed, controlled, and surprisingly relaxed on the road. Front disc brakes add reassurance, reminding you that this classic has been thoughtfully updated where it matters. It's not trying to be modern, but it respects modern expectations. Now step inside, because this is where the Tradesman truly becomes something else entirely. The door opens, and suddenly you're no longer in a vehicle, you're in a private lounge on wheels. Fully carpeted from floor to walls, the interior wraps around you in warmth and texture. This is old school luxury, the kind you can feel under your hands and feet. The carpet softens the world, absorbs sound, and instantly creates an atmosphere that's calm, inviting, and deeply nostalgic. Up front, the recovered captain's chairs take center stage. These aren't just seats, they're thrones. Wide, comfortable, and designed for long hauls. They embody the philosophy of the era. The drive should be enjoyed, not endured. You can imagine hours slipping by effortlessly, the road stretching ahead, music playing softly, conversations flowing without urgency. Everything about these chairs says comfort first, always. Behind you, the space opens up with purpose. This van wasn't built for speed, it was built for life. Whether it's hauling friends, hosting unforgettable road trips, or simply offering a quiet place to escape, the interior is versatile, open, and full of possibility. The carpeted surfaces and thoughtful layout create a feeling of privacy and calm that modern vehicles often forget in their race for technology. And that's the magic here. This Dodge B200 doesn't distract you with screens or notifications. It invites you to slow down, to look out the windows, to listen to the engine, to remember what driving used to feel like. From a historical standpoint, the 1977 B200 Tradesman sits at a fascinating crossroads. This was the golden age of the American van. Conversion vans were cultural icons, symbols of freedom, creativity, and independence. They were mobile studios, family campers, touring rigs, and weekend escapes, all in one. Dodge, with its rugged engineering and reliable V8s, was right at the center of that movement. The Tradesman name itself speaks volumes. It started as a workhorse, a blank canvas designed to be customized, personalized, and transformed. And that's exactly what we see here, a van that evolved beyond its original purpose into something expressive and refined while never losing its hardworking roots. Now let's talk value, because vehicles like this occupy a unique space in the market. At $17,995 plus, this Dodge B200 isn't just affordable, it's compelling. You're not just buying transportation, you're buying character. You're buying a vehicle that turns heads not because it's loud or flashy, but because it's authentic, because it represents an era that people feel deeply connected to, even if they never lived through it the first time. Modern vans can cost 2 or 3 times this price and still feel soulless. This one has heart, it has presence, it has stories baked into its metal and carpet. And the best part, it's ready to make new ones. Imagine pulling into a sunset overlook, the paint glowing softly as the sky changes color. Imagine parking at a car show where everyone expects muscle cars and supercars, and suddenly this van becomes the crowd favorite. Imagine weekend getaways, long cruises, or simply owning something that makes you smile every time you see it waiting for you. This 1977 Dodge B200 Tradesman van isn't trying to be trendy. It's timeless. It represents a moment in automotive history when freedom was measured in miles, comfort mattered, and the journey was just as important as where you were going. If you've been searching for something different, something with soul, style, and substance, this might be it. A classic van with a powerful V8, a luxurious interior, and a presence that modern vehicles can't replicate. It's nostalgic without being outdated, comfortable without being boring, and bold without trying too hard. E-box into rare classics, cinematic walkthroughs, and vehicles that actually mean something. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on notifications. We've got a lot more machines like this coming your way. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you cruise this Black Garnet Pearl Dodge B200 across the country, or would it be your weekend escape machine? Either way, this van proves one thing loud and clear: some legends don't fade, they just keep rolling.